a collapsible trash bag holder, home built, standard trash bag made out of 1/2-inch PVC pipe and some elbows, a couple of bolts. Simple to make, simple to use. Okay, to build this, what I did was took 4 pipes and I cut 3 of them already. I'm going to cut the 4th one using a PVC cutter, and I cut all 4 pipes at 30 inches. And you can use a tape measure or I choose with the yoke right there. There's my 4 pipes. They're going to be there, and then these across the bottom, I cut 16. And then I take my elbows, 8 of them, and put them on my PVC pipe. And the options are you can paint them or glue them if you want to with clear glue. And I'm not going to do that today. They go on pretty tight. So I have 4 of the 30-inch PVC pipes, and I marked at 15 inches, which is halfway, and I drilled a hole for a bolt using a 1/4-inch bit and a cordless drill. And I'm actually just going to clean them up just a little bit so my bolt goes through. Pretty easy. And they're all exactly 15 inches. And then I'm going to take and bolt 2 of them together. That's a 1/4-inch bolt, 2 inches long. It slides through. And then I'm going to place and put a washer on it. And then I'm going to put the other PVC. And then I'm going to put a lock nut on it. There we go. And the lock nut, nice thing about a lock nut is it should not loosen back up on you. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to go with another 1/4-inch bolt, 2 inches long, a washer for a spacer, another PVC, and another locking nut. Okay, so those are together now. I got a 7/16 wrench and a 7/16 socket. And we're going to tighten them up just to put some tension on them. So now we have 2 sets of legs, and we're going to go ahead and put a cap on there. And this one's on the outside, so this one's going to go to the inside. And this one is going to be here and here. Kind of push them on a little bit. Working with PVC, they'll tend to be adjustable. That one's going on the inside, so this one's going on the outside. Okay. Make a few adjustments there. Tighten down. Open them up and see what they look like. And that's pretty much what it looks like. So now we've got new cash bag holder.